Well, a recent rumble and roar have people in Moore in southwest Oklahoma City flying to social media speculating on the cause. Some believe the sound is coming from an earthquake, but others believe the sound's coming from something out of this world. News Channel 4's Ashley Kringen has more from our mobile newsroom.
It's like...
That is the sound Chris Martinez often hears in his Moore neighborhood, an unforgettable ringing.
It's a loud sound, and then it just completely stopped.
We looked at our seismic records, and there's nothing that would indicate that this was associated with ground motion.
After ruling out an earthquake, seismologists say the sound could have traveled from somewhere unknown.
Experts say if it's a quick shaking, it's an earthquake. If it's a large rumbling, it could be anything like a big plane. Some neighbors in this area have their own theory.
I'm crazy. I think there's starships. I think there's some cool spacecrafts that not a lot of people know about.
Martinez says every time this odd buzz comes around, the dogs in the neighborhood get riled up.
Whenever they distinguish a different sound, it makes them feel uncomfortable. They have a weird sense about that.
For those who might think Martinez is crazy, he says through research and personal experience, starships and spaceships are possible. Others have a different idea.
When you have really cold weather or just odd atmospheric conditions, you can get sound to travel much better in the atmosphere than it normally does.
Either way, it's a sound that still remains a mystery.
You have different weird things in the sky. You have these weird sounds. Just, you put two and two together, and it starts to, you start to realize, maybe we don't know everything we know,
In Moore, Ashley Kringen, News Channel 4.
Beam me up, Scott.
Could you see him on your dock?
Well, if Mr. Martinez thinks there are starships out there, he's fine with me.
Oh, well.
Absolutely.
Just say he's wrong.
The Geological Survey gentleman there that they were interviewing, he's talking about an inversion. And a temperature inversion acts like a lid in the lower levels of the atmosphere. And something making a loud noise way over here will go up the sound will go up that inversion and echo and bounce right back down again. And it can carry like 2 to 3 to 4 times further the sound than normally. Yeah. So that could be coming from a long way away.
So the spaceship could be in Oklahoma City.
Yes, it could. Let's hope that it is. No, maybe not.
It's below the inversion.